Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the NPTEL Cloud Computing Week 8 Assignment 8, which last date is 19 March 2025. Guys, these are my credentials. Okay. Now let's start the question. You can see here, guys, in Week 8 Assignment 8, we can find 10 questions and we will try to attempt the 10 question one by one. So let's start the first question here. Okay. The first question is, which of the following statements is or are about true about Docker? Okay, which of the following statement is or are true about Docker? So first statement is Docker Hub is used for building Docker images and creating Docker containers. The second is the statement is Docker Compose is a registry used to host various Docker images. You can see here the first statement. The first statement, that is Docker Hub is used for building the Docker images and creating Docker container, is a true statement. Okay, is the correct statement, but second one is a incorrect statement. So we choose the option A. Okay, now we can say here, guys, some, that is, you can see in statement 1, that is correct. Docker Hub is cloud-based repository where Docker users can create, test, store, and distribute Docker images. It is used for building Docker images and creating containers. But in case of statement 2, it is a incorrect statement because Docker Compose is a tool for defining, running multi-container Docker applications, but not registry for hosting Docker images. So statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is a false statement. Okay. Now moving to the question number 2. Virtual machines take up less space than container. Is this true statement? This is a false statement. So we choose option B. Option B, that is a false statement, because container are more lightweight than virtual machines. Always remember, container are more lightweight than virtual machine because they share the host operating system kernel and do not share the full operating system for each instance. But what happens in case of virtual machines? On the other hand, it includes a full operating system, making them a large in size. Okay, so that's why container are more lightweight than the virtual machine. So that's why we choose the option is a false statement. Okay, now moving to the question number 3. Which of the following statement is or are is correct? Choose the most appropriate option. Statement 1. An image is a lightweight standalone executable package that includes everything to run a piece of software. Statement 2 is container is a runtime instance of an image. So both the statements here are the correct statements. Okay, both the statements are correct statement. Why you choose the both statements are correct statements? See, in case of statement 1, a Docker image is a lightweight, standalone, and executable package that includes everything needed to run a piece of software, that is code, runtime, library, etc., etc., etc. Second statement is a correct statement because a container is a runtime instance for an image. When you run an image, it becomes a container. That's why statement 2 is also a correct statement. So here both we choose that is a correct statement. So we choose 3, option C. Now moving to the question number 4. Moving to the question number 4, you can see in IoT, Internet of Things based vehicular data clouds, vehicle providing their networking and data processing capabilities to other vehicle. Though the cloud is best identified with which of the following is which of the following? You can see which of the following, that is infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Okay, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Why we choose, guys, infrastructure as a service? Why choose infrastructure as a service? Because see, in this scenario, the vehicle offer infrastructure as a service by providing networking, data processing capabilities, that is computer resources, storage. Although through the cloud to other vehicles, infrastructure as a service provide virtualized infrastructures which feeds the contents of sharing computational resources. Okay, that is in lecture sensor cloud computing. Option A is incorrect. Why incorrect? Because software as a service delivers software application, not infrastructure. Option B, platform as a service provide platform for development, not raw resources. Option D is incorrect because backend as a service is less relevant here. It's a typically more mobile application backend. So option C, infrastructure as a service, is the correct statement. Got it? Now moving to the question number 5. Question number 5. Each container cannot run as an isolated process in user space. Okay, got it? So it is a false statement. Each container cannot run an isolated process in user space. It is choose as a false statement. Why? We choose as it is a false statement because C, container runs an isolated processes in user space, leveraging the host operating system, that is OS kernel for isolation, that is namespace, C groups in Dockers. The statement claiming they cannot incorrect, but A is incorrect because container can run isolated. B is correct because affirmative their capabilities. Okay, that's why we choose the correct option. B is the false statement. Got it? Now moving to the question number 6. Okay, because container can share the operating system kernel with the other container. Yes, it is a true statement. It is a true statement. Why? Containers share the host operating system's kernel, unlike virtual machines that include a full operating system. This sharing enables lightweight operation and resource efficiency. So A is a correct statement because kernel sharing is defining features. But B is incorrect because it contradicts the container designing. That's why we choose option A. Now moving to the question number 7. Question number 7, for sensor resources that do not have a direct connection to the cloud, sensor network proxy provides the connection. Yes, it is a true statement. 7, option A is a true statement. Why you choose as a true statement? Because you know a sensor network proxy act as intermediary, enable sensor without direct cloud connectivity to communicate by aggregating and forwarding data. Sensor cloud computing. The correct statement is proxies facilitate these connections. Proxies facilitate this connection. But B is incorrect because proxies are designed for these purposes. So we choose correct option, that is A options. Now moving to the question number 8. Okay, moving to the question number 8. It is asking about an IoT platform has the following basic building blocks, that is things, gateway, network and cloud. That is you can choose 8 option A, B and C, that is things, gateway and network and cloud. You can see why things, because an IoT platform typically includes what? It includes things. Things means physical devices, means sensor, actuator, generating data. Option B, gateway, connects things to the network, handling protocol conversations. Option C is network and cloud, that is infrastructure for data transmissions and storage processing. But option D is a learning module, not a standard building block. It may refer to analytics, but not the core. That's why we choose option A, B, C are the core components, so it is a true. So that's why we choose option 8, A, B, C. Got it? 8, A, B, C. Now moving to the question number 9. In the context of a green cloud computing, the power uses effectiveness is defined as overall power by power delivered. That is 9 option B. 9 option B. Okay. 9 option B, overall power by power delivered. Because power uses effectiveness. Power uses effectiveness, PUE, is a metric in green cloud computing, calculated as the ratio of a total facility power, that is overall power, to the power used by the IT equipment, that is power delivered. A power PUE indicates higher efficiency. So A is incorrect because inverts the formula. C and D also incorrect because not a formula. Only B is the correct option, standard PUE definitions. Okay, that's why the correct option is B. Now, moving to the last questions, that is a green broker can perform scheduling of applications to reduce energy consumption. Definitely, it is a true statement. It is a True statement, because a green broker in green cloud computing optimize resource allocation and schedule application to minimize energy use, aligning with the sustainability goals. So A is correct because scheduling is a key function. Scheduling is a key function. But B is incorrect because it contradicts the broker's rules. That's why we choose option A is the right option. Now, got it? Once again, we'll try to verify the answer. So, question number 1 is option A. Question number 2, option B. Question number 3, option C. Question number 4 is option also C. Question number 5, option B. Question number 6, option A. Question number 7, option A. Question number 8, A, B, and C. 3 options. Question number 9 is B. Question number 10 is A. Okay, now I'm going to submit the answer of these questions. After clicking, a message will appear. You can see, thank you for taking the week 8, assignment 8. Your answer has successfully submitted. Guys, successfully attempt the 10 questions with explanations. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. And if you have any questions, any doubt, you can put your question in my YouTube comment. Thank you.